Hey everyone, the Kingbull Voyager 2.0 is the company's newest high-performance cargo e-bike, designed for riders who need power, stability, and adaptability, whether they're navigating busy city streets or venturing onto rugged trails. Building on Kingbull's strong reputation for durable and practical electric bikes, the Voyager 2.0 blends impressive load capacity, premium components, and thoughtful design features that make it stand out in the cargo e-bike segment. At the heart of the Voyager 2.0 is a custom Bafang 750-watt brushless hub motor capable of reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour and delivering a peak torque of 85 Newton-meter. The motor's smooth and consistent performance is enhanced by a torque sensor and a 7-speed Shimano Altus transmission, ensuring efficient and natural pedal assistance across 5 riding modes. For convenience, Kingbull also includes a stroll mode that helps riders move heavy bikes easily at walking speed, around 2.3 to 2.9 miles per hour, a practical touch for maneuvering through tight spaces or when fully loaded. Powering the Voyager 2.0 is 15 ampere-hours Samsung lithium battery, which can be easily detached for charging. With a single battery, riders can expect solid range for daily commutes or errands, but those who need extra endurance can opt for the dual battery version, which extends range up to 100 miles on a single charge. Charging time is approximately 5 to 6 hours. When it comes to ride quality, Kingbull has ensured that the Voyager 2.0 is both comfortable and capable. The bike features a Kingbull coil spring fork with 60 millimeters of travel, complete with lockout and preload adjustment to suit different terrain types. Combined with wide 20 by 4.0-inch CST puncture-resistant tires, the bike maintains exceptional traction and stability, whether on asphalt, gravel, or dirt paths. Safety is equally prioritized through a Zoom dual-piston hydraulic braking system with 180mm rotors, providing reliable stopping power under any condition. Cargo capability is where the Voyager 2.0 truly shines. It offers a total payload capacity of 450 pounds, including a robust one-piece welded aluminum rear rack rated for 200 pounds. Despite its rugged build, the bike remains manageable at 76 pounds and features a step-through frame that allows easy mounting and dismounting. Kingbull has also focused on practicality and safety accessories. The Voyager 2.0 comes equipped with dual side mirrors, a center kickstand, front and rear fenders, and a bungee rope for securing cargo. For passengers, there are rear foot pegs and a cushioned seat pad, making two-person rides comfortable and safe. Riders will also appreciate the 4.0-inch full-color multifunction display, which provides real-time information such as speed, pedal assist level, and battery status. Additional safety features include an electronic horn, a bright 48-volt LED headlight, and a rear taillight with integrated brake light. Comfort details like the eco-leather saddle and a height-adjustable seat post with marked scaling make long rides more enjoyable and easier to fine-tune. In terms of pricing, the Kingbull Voyager 2.0 starts at $1,249 for the single battery configuration, while the dual battery version costs $1,549. Overall, the Kingbull Voyager 2.0 represents an impressive blend of functionality, durability, and value. It's designed for riders who need a reliable, high-performance cargo e-bike capable of handling both heavy loads and long journeys with ease. Whether for urban commuting, family transport, or outdoor adventure, the Voyager 2.0 stands as a well-balanced choice that captures the essence of what a modern cargo e-bike should be. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.